Oh, I'm here. Sorry. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Let me start over. Rewind. What's up, everyone? iTrades in house. It's Mo, bro. Yeezus, Apple, Son of Wall Street, Miss K in the house. I was saying to Miss K, I got to do a new theme song. What was that? That wick. Anyways, who else we got? Yeezus, Apple, Son of Wall Street, Miss K, Adrian Chong, Lay. What's going on? Kelly Kaufman, Tony Lanes, iTrades, Labarto, Son of Wall Street. You at the Funded Club, My Funded Futures. I need an invite. Yep, we're giving away one tonight, so I ain't just gonna give away one. We're gonna give away two invites tonight. My Funded Futures Club. Let's go. 2 lucky winners. Liberto, Jip Smith, what's up? Hey, Executor, what's going on? Magic Trader Madi in the house. What's going on? Pena. What's that, My 100 Futures Club? Well, you get points. So you get it's the Finer Things Club. It's very exclusive. But you get points for so you get points, and then you get to open packs, and then you get discounts and all kinds of different stuff. So really cool. You can even get free accounts every once in a while. So you got different tasks you can do. But yeah, rolling it out. AK Wolf in the house. How do you yeah, so we're gonna do the giveaway. We're gonna be doing 4 giveaways tonight. We're gonna be doing 1 giveaway or 2 giveaways for the My Funded Futures Club, and then we're gonna go give away a kind of ironic, but we're gonna give away a Tradeify account, 50K select, and we're gonna give away a 50K select to a member. So 4 races today, action packed tonight. Should be some fun. Plus, we're gonna try to make a little money. Let's talk about this stream here, the trades. Plus, we need to get them likes up too. We're lacking on likes. Miss K says, smash a like before you type. Kind of like sitting at the cool kids table at the high school. That's right. It's the Finer Things Club from The Office, right? So anyways, before the market starts, let's talk a little bit about the day. I had a really good day. I took a My Funded Futures payout of $1,000 out of that builder account. Eek. So I took a little payout. So here it is today, 8/13. Took a nice payout. Plus, Take Profit Trader. Thankfully for that, I want to thank Take Profit Trader for having that lockout button. That came in handy. Here's the Take Profit Trader accounts today. $438 payout on this one, $330 payout on this one, $285 on this one, $286 on this one. This one is passed. I did blow one. So I got 4 funded over the buffer. Looking for that 5th. Who wants to be that lucky 5th one? So I have this one right here that's passed. I just gotta flip it or yeah, for another day or two. So big payouts today. About $2,000 in payouts today. We'll take that. Saw those payouts on Instagram, Yeezus. Oh, thanks, man. Yes, guys, smash that like button. Let's let me start the giveaway cloud bot here. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. I want to get those likes up. Let's get to 150 likes. And we'll do the first My Funded Futures giveaway. Let's get it up there. So like before you type. Market's open too, by the way, guys. Kind of feels like on My Funded Futures TV where we trading and all right, let me see here. Actually, I want to work on some Lucid accounts. I think I still have a Lucid. Wrong password. This account is still alive. I forgot to trade it again today. Once I got my payouts, I was like, I didn't want to work on any evals. I was over it. This account's still kicking. It's got $869 of drawdown. See if we can get something going on it. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you want to join the giveaway for a My Funded party. What's it called? My Funded Club. Let's go. So the cool thing is, so once you get, if you win and you get into the club, then tomorrow you'll be able to invite 2 people, and then so on and so on and so on. Kind of neat, right? Yeah, Son of Wall Street's been begging me. I don't do giveaways for beggars. It'll never work on me. I am like the Iceman. But you can join. Son of Wall Street, you know I love you. TJP in the house. I've been waiting 2 days. Oh, that's strange. Yeah, I don't know. That's strange. Maybe they're just looking at your KYC or whatever. Usually they approve it pretty quickly. Linda in the house. Brian Roca in the house. Jesus. Knocking on the wrong door. Yeah, for sure. Jack Boom, ES Futures in the house. As soon as we get to 150 likes, we'll do that first giveaway. We got about 100 people watching now. It should go up pretty quickly. We growing. We got over 100 here. I'll make it easy on you. 100 likes. We'll do that first giveaway. 100 likes. We're at 56 right now. All right, let me focus on the charts here. What are we doing? Look at that V bottom on YM. What a ridiculous move that was. You see that dump on YM? That sell off? Straight down and then all red candles. And then kind of V bottom came about midway point. What a ridiculous sell off and pump. I mean, the YM chart just looks stupid. it's just dumb. Pine, get some payouts today? Oh, I did. 2K. 2K's worth. Yep, got some daily payouts today and my funded futures payout. So, thank you. Treated myself to a lobster. Lobster roll. And only a hot lobster roll, too. That's how I roll. I don't do the mayonnaise with the lobster. It's, nah. That was my lunch today. Delicious. Yeah, no mayo. Hot lobster roll with some butter. That's it. Little butter. Perfect. Yeah, Pamela, it was really good. Cameron's, it's called Cameron's Lobster House in Brunswick. We're gonna take a short here. Let's try it. Let's try a short. We'll see if he wants to go lower. This wick down here is just itching to be run. This must have been from earnings or something. Some sort of earnings at 4 p.m. Not really sure. Not much wiggle room on this account to be trading the minis, but place to stop at the high. Risk 360. See if it wants to go down on this lucid eval. CVAL's already been beat up quite a bit, and I made the mistake by not trading it the other day when I was underwater because I forgot about it. And then when the day closes, can't utilize that drawdown. So, because even end of day drawdown, it resets, right? So. $120 people, 75 likes. Smash that like button. Let's get to 100 likes. We get to 100 likes. We'll do that first. Giveaway for that My Funded Futures Club. Come on, get that little caboose in here. All right, sitting right at 30,200. Let's take a look at gold tonight. If someone's trading gold, ooh, a short gold here. Short. I'm gonna try to short gold. I'm short Nasdaq as well. There goes Nasdaq. I'm gonna take off gold. I don't want to focus on that right now. Taking off gold trade. I was gonna short off this pine line. JLD 54 in the house. What's going on? Genius in the house. Real robot. Queen of Trades. What's up? Like before you type. That's right. Miss K says. Oh, come on. Can we get a little more than just 9 points there? Give me a little dumpage. World's Away Nomads in the house. Digital Nukes. What's up, Trading Cowboy? What's going on, man? All right, can we get some follow through down through the 186 from the open? Maybe down to 144 would be nice. Run this wick. I have a feeling this is going to get run at some point. Maybe Tokyo Open, or it could do it before. But who knows? Let's go. 5 Apex payouts. Congratulations, guys. Smash that confetti. 5 Apex payouts. That's nice. Compile this in the house. I have to get a mouse real quick. I have to go get a... Oh, go get a mouse real quick. Yeah. That helps. It's trading. Yo. Maybe in a few hours. This stuff is so slow. It's been terrible this week, isn't it? We've done pretty good. We've made some money. I don't know how. There was one day I got kind of beat up, but pretty much every night on stream this week. This is like my Friday night for this stream. You've been doing okay. Come on, get that push down. All right, we're at 91 likes, 132 people, guys. We need 9 of you to smash that like button, and we'll do a race. Do I trade Power Hour? Sometimes, not really. It depends. I mean, my favorite usually is the New York Open. First hour of the day, I am done. I like the volatility. I like that quick moves. I caught a beautiful long off from the New York Open. Right here. It's easier to see on a 2-minute chart. This was a monster trade for me. This got a TPT, a take profit trader, up over the buffer. So we had this massive push up. We came down. We tested this 30,000. Once we ripped off this, I just pushed the button long. I pushed the button long. Was in 2 minis. I added a third, and then I made $2,400 on that trade, and I got the account over the buffer and got a daily payout, $400. So this type of all, you know, dangerous, obviously, but trading on that momentum, whew, like that's where it's at. And then I came on My Funny Futures TV right around here in this chop and proceeded to lose an account. No, I didn't lose it. I was down like 600 bucks. All right, where are we at? All right, 117 likes. Let's do a giveaway. Let's see where we're at. Yeah, I like it. Closing entries. Let's do the very first one. This is for a My Funded Futures Club membership. The Finer Things Club. Let's do a camel race. Oops. Let's do the camel race. Good luck. 120 of you in the race right now. We'll do another one after this. Good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Did I close entries? Yep. But we're going to do another one. Queen of Trades right after this. As soon as we get to 200 likes. So guys, keep smashing that like button. How's my trade doing? Oh, see? See money, take money. Who's it gonna be? We got TJP, we got K Futures, we got Too Old to Trade, Never. OMH out to the lead here. 45 seconds to go, guys. Hit the boost, hit the boost. You gotta know when to hit it. Ichimoku, the Fibonacci father. Xanax Trades, the Burn Trader, Alpha Tickers, Digital Nukes, Denise, Son of Wall Street. Oh, I see Son of Wall Street up in here. Ooh, Son of Wall Street. Hanging in there. Are you going to make the run in the last 10 seconds? Ooh. Uh-oh, someone's going to make the run. Who will it be? We got Theta Gang trading. Congratulations. Theta Gang, are you in here? Yeah, let's go. Theta Gang trading in the house. Theta Gang, hit me up on PineTreeTrader207@gmail.com. Just give me a screenshot of your channel, please. Like this. Give me a screenshot. And I'll get you that My Funded Futures Club link. The link. The invite. Booyah. Pine, what with the hat? PNY, you must be new to the stream. Yeah, I've been wearing this hat for, I don't know. We've been doing Moose Race hat, the Moose Race hat. I've had that for a long time. Welcome. Let's go. All right, guys, we will do another one. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. We will do another one in a little bit. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Another club giveaway, yes. Another club giveaway. My Funded Futures Club giveaway. Let's go, Theta Gang. Market is dead. All right, let me do this. Let's see. Let me find this. There you go, Theta Gang. I just sent you the link. Now, I think what happens is that once you click on it, it's going to bring you over to it's going to show on your dashboard, I think. It'll look like that. See the My Funded Club on your dashboard? That's what it'll look like. I think that's how it works. Yeah, no problem. Thanks for joining. So that's done. That one's done. Don't you have to buy an account first? I don't know. Do you? I don't know how it works. Pretty sure you have to buy an account to have access? Okay. Okay, well, thank you for that. Yeah, I didn't know. What's a buy one, get one free? Oh, interesting. Florida Boss Man in the house. What's going on? Man, this market's dead. Oh, yeah, it's terrible. I mean, it is just toast. All right, where are we at likes? 150 likes. Let's do another one. Let's get these this My Funded Club thing over with. Exclamation point pine in the chat. I'll give you guys like 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Wigwam, yeah, I know. It's it's just stuck. I mean, it ripped at the open and all right, closing entries. Yeah, and you guys can, and when you guys are using the link, if whoever wins, you can still use code PINE to pick up an account too. So appreciate that. Okay, let's do this. Who's ready? Who's ready? The chocolate bar race. Yeah, we got the members only race to do as well. Let's go, let's go. I don't know, but this one right here, the chocolate one with the strawberry filling, that one looks good. That reminds me of a Charleston Chew. Look at Apple out here out of nowhere. That reminds me of a good old Charleston Chew. That's one of my favorites. Yeah, Wigwam, I know. It's one of those evenings. It's just sitting at my entry. It's probably just gonna. It's stupid. Pretty soon, I'm gonna be one of those simfluencers that just sits here and does giveaways because the market don't move. And then all the other simfluencers get jealous. They go, all he does is giveaways on his stream. All he does. He doesn't even trade. Whee! I have 30 people watching me. Rohan trades. Let's go. Kind of held that lead there, and out. Very close. High trades, man. You were so close. Rohan trades. Congratulations. You're in it. Send me an email. That's for that My Funded Futures Club link. The link. You can use code PINE if you pick it up any of those accounts. Just give me a screenshot of your YouTube channel. All right, next one for Tradeify. But we're not gonna do this one for a hot minute. This one's gonna be for Tradeify. 50K select account. Big dog account. The big dog. Hey, what's up, Jen? You didn't miss anything. Market hasn't moved. We're trying. Was up, up 150 bucks. Now I'm down 100 bucks. Then I'll probably be up 150 bucks. I don't know. This is just dog water market. I feel like just playing big size with gold and just seeing if I can catch a few $100 bucks. Take a little short off that. Exclamation point PINE in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. 50K, Tradeify Select. Thank you for using code PINE with Tradeify. Appreciate that. Let's go, Rohan. I got your email. And here's that link. Email sent, Rohan. Thank you. Gold pushing higher. Ugh. How do you add an eval account on Tradeivate? It'll do it automatically, Kiwi. So if when you buy So who did you buy an account off from? What's the My Funny Futures Club? It's like a rewards program club that you can get in, and you can get rewards by referring people. So the way it works is like once you're in, then you get links yourself, even you guys, and then you can give them to other people. And then when they buy accounts, then you get rewards and things and points that you can use. Matter of fact, I think I can open. How does this work? All right, so this is the way it works. So you get packs and you get bonuses and things like that. So I just got 100 bonus points. Take a look. Let me do this. I don't want to dox myself. Hold on. So I got some packs I can open up. Let's check it out. So let's do this pack here. And then you can rip it open. I got some 100 bonus points. Pretty sweet. Got another pack here. Give me something good. More bonus points. You can see that down here it says bonus points is uncommon, 40%, 250. Rare is 500. Bonus points, 15% chance. 1,000 points is ultra rare, and then you can actually get 99% off 25Ks and 99% off 50Ks if you get lucky. Let's take a look at this pack here. Boom, I got 30% off all 50Ks. That's not a great one because Code Pine probably gets you 50% off on that. Yeah, you can see. So that's what you get. So those are my packs. I just opened up them all. So I got more bonus points. And then you get, you can just collect. So there's, you can collect things too. So the more, if you get up to, if you get 11,820 points, you basically get a free 50K account. If you get 4,320 points, or it says I need 4,320 points actually, you get 99% off a 25K account. So it's cool. I mean, it's pretty sweet. I know Tradeify is going to come out with their own. They're coming out with their own next week, so. To point packs, yeah. Who knows? Oh, you got the, it's like a Pokemon card? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, Rohan, apparently you have to buy an account to be invited into the My Fund of Futures Club. I was unaware of that, to be honest with you. I was unaware of that. I thought it was just an invite to the club. Rigged, yeah, I know. I apologize for that. Let's see. So we got what's up? AZA in the house. About to make some salmon burgers. Nice. Sorry guys, I had to look. I was looking at my Tradeify accounts that I had given away, and I forgot to mark one down that I'd given away. So I had to figure it out. So I was like, man, I think I've given away 4 already. So, and I only had 3 marked down. I was trying to figure out which one it was. God, this market just sucks. I'm just closing this. This is stupid. It's just gonna eat my money. It's gonna eat my money. I don't like it. But the market's just been really bad. I mean, for the Globex Open, I mean, you catch little scalps and stuff, but you try to look for a little swing. I mean, the most we could have gotten out of that was maybe 150 bucks, 6, 7 points, 7 points, maybe 8 points if you were lucky. I might actually try gold. See if gold wants to grind higher. APM gets better, yeah. Oh, thank you, Rohan Trades. Appreciate you, man. Thank you. Good luck with it. I mean, I hope you win. Welcome to the club. I tried to get in the long there. It's already popped back up. Yeah, between 8 and 9, it goes from dead to slightly alive. Yeah, for sure. Seller stepping in on NQ. Well, yeah, I know, because I just got out of my short. I got scared. Oh. Futures duck. I mean, so stupid. Going for that wick fill? That's what I think, too. I think so, too. Do we get back in? Why not? See if we get that roll over. Get down to that wick fill. Probably won't happen until Tokyo Open, but nice little bear flag break here. Down 180 on this account right now. Micro and hold. Now I got 680 on this in drawdown, so I'm gonna get in one mini and hold. 680 is my stop. Okay, there's that, that's done, that's done, that's done, clearing my tabs, that's done, that's done. All right, we're good to go. Let's get in here. Let's get our feet wet. Gold falling back here. I like a long knock gold at 44.10s area. Try one right here. If I can get it. Oh, come on. Give me a tag in here. Whoops. Come on, man. Tag me in. That's a little annoying. Come on, gold. Get me in there. Exclamation point pine in the chat if you want to join the Tradeify 50K select account. I'm going to be giving away one account to one of you grays, and then we're going to do another. We're going to do a members only race after that. So stay tuned. Well, I completely blew my diet yesterday. I went on tilt on my diet, but today I did pretty good. Besides the sweet potato fries. But I had lobster. I didn't eat the roll. I didn't eat the roll, just the lobster. And I had some sweet potato fries and a little coleslaw, but not much. And I didn't even eat all the fries. But yesterday was a different story. Yesterday, I went completely till on the old MyFitnessPal app. All right, I'm long gold, short Nasdaq. Both looking for scalps. Hey Barbie, what's up? Doing good. Yeah, got some nice payouts today. Very, very happy. I'm in a good mood. Made money. I'm in good mood. But yeah, some beautiful payouts. Keeping it going. I want to talk a little bit about them too, if we get a chance. I want to talk a little bit about my game plan going forward with those accounts, because here's the thing. I have 4 take profit trader accounts all over the buffer now, and instead of going for those big huge wins, my plan is to just kind of go for $100 to $200 a piece every single day on them and withdraw it. So I'm trying to get the 5th one. If I can get the 5th one, we're good, we're golden. And then I want to get some more daily payout accounts with maybe with like Lucid or Tradeify, maybe some My Funded Futures Rapid accounts, and then stack them. Once they're over the buffer, I want to try to stack those accounts. And the goal is to not have to trade heavy to do it. All I really want to do is just trade a little few micros. Boom. Nice $100 gold trade there. Keeps me going here. Nasdaq. So nice little scalp off the pine line. $300 make you holla. Rapid ended days, yeah. Are the TPTs 50Ks? Yes. I do like the 50K accounts, the 25Ks and the 50Ks, take profit trader accounts. I do like those. So it's more or less like being able to trade small, but using the multiplier of multiple accounts and not having to look for such big winning days, but have it compound at the end of the day and be able to take that money out. And, you know, I've had some amazing runs with Take Profit Trader before, Trade Day, all with daily payout stuff. But to really just kind of stack that and to walk away red on the day. So if I lose $200 or $300, come back the next day and try again. So that's going to be the goal. And not having to look for those big, huge numbers, because, man, after I ran up those big pro accounts, the My Funded Futures pro accounts, a few of them, I got them up to like $30,000-$40,000, and then got looking for like $100K payout, or at least or even more. I don't even know. And then losing them, I'm like, oh, I gotta go back to right where the bread and butter is, which is taking base hit daily payouts, and then be able to work on something like the pro account on the side. So that's gonna be the goal coming up. So we'll see. And so far it's worked. 2 days in a row, we've had some nice daily payouts. Probably pulled out what? Maybe just out of TPT alone, $2,000-$3,000. So like it really adds up. And then having that builder on the side, you know, good $3,000-$4,000 this week. So not bad. And so just I want to continue that just day after day after day after day. Sometimes I put a lot of micros and goes bad, and then it's good. Use one micro. How do you manage that? So the way I do it, Barbie, is I try to get over the buffer as fast as possible. I mean, that's the truth. I tried. Why am I in 2 minis here? Did I get too carried away? I think I did. That's very silly. as I'm speaking as it's going against me now. I'm trying to get out of one here. Anyways, so to get over the buffer, I got, to me, like with a take profit trader account or basically any funded account, the main thing is once you get it passed, once you get the eval passed and then you get the funded account, there's essentially a step 2 that you have to get over to get a payout, right? So I always look at that like, well, that's just like it's like step 2 of an eval, you know? All right, got out of that one trade, contract. And so like take profit trader, I really tried to get it up over the buffer. That's why I had a few extra. If you remember, I had a few extra take profit traders, evals passed. And because I really trying to get the full 5. So like this morning, for instance, I had the 1 eval going and I was looking for a nice trade around the open. Well, we pulled up, had a really massive pump, just a lot of momentum off the open. It pulled back. It pretty much bounced right off 30,000. And when we put in this outside candle, I just hopped in with like two minis. And then I added a third, and then I was over that buffer. I made $2,400 on that trade in a heartbeat. I just like hopped in and just boof. And so that's the best, right? But then as soon as I got over the buffer, I'm like, boom, I locked myself out. I'm like, no more trading on that account. Now, of course, I could have kept trading it, tried to make thousands of dollars today, which is a possibility. But for my mindset right now, I'm like, I want just 5 accounts over the buffer. And if I make $100, $200 a day, it's perfectly fine. But how do I get over the size is I really try to count points. So that's one of the things that used to help me a lot is counting points. And if you count points with your trades, you can be like, well, let's see if I find my notepad. But if you count points, and then this is just a little tip. Then you can say, well, if I go from 1 micro to 1 mini, I'm just looking for the certain amount of points on these trades. So you can see like all my notes from like and this is all in the past. This is like YM stuff, but it's all points. Like every day I would count points. So like negative 49 points, negative 32 points, plus 42, negative 40, plus 58, and so on. And so I would just count points. This was with YM. And then the next month, I would do that same thing. And then I was just like, you try to just get rid of the money aspect of it. So it kind of can help you. Can I check Discord? It's kind of urgent. Yeah, can you send me that link? Yeah, so there's a lot going on. Con divergence. It's okay. I think we can talk about it, guys. Guys, on TikTok, there's a big problem right now of people. Yeah, there's a big problem. Oh, maybe they do have someone on TikTok streaming live. Anyways, there's someone posing as me too. Huh, that's weird. I don't know. I don't know anything about it. Anyways, guys, yeah, there's a sorry, I'm very distracted. There's people posing as me and stealing my content. They're basically taking my live feed and they're streaming with my camera and my voice and placing it on their live feed like it's me, and then they're trying to sell, get you to invest in, like, basically some sort of scam, a trading scam, which is insane, that people fall for it. And there's 1,100 people that were in it. So yeah, I don't know. Thank you for bringing that to my attention, though. I don't know anything about that. Yeah, so matter of fact, if you guys, if you're on TikTok, if you guys can do me a favor and just go in, you don't even have to sign in, I don't think, but just go in and report this person. Do me a solid. They're actually posing as me and Tom Sabo. How weird is that? So here it is. Right here. If you guys are on TikTok, you guys can just do me a quick solid. We got a couple hundred people watching. But if you do me a quick solid, just type in that right there, traders FX _001. He's probably watching the stream right now, you douchebag. I've already contacted my lawyers, so you should take it down. So, by the way, for stealing copyrighted content. But he's right there, and just report him. Because he's trying to scam people out of money as well, and that, like, thank you. Appreciate that. All right, back to the channel. Oh, yeah, what are we doing? We're doing giveaways tonight. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Boy, this market is just lame-o, lame-o, lame-o. I'm getting awfully bored sitting here. I'm sorry, guys. It's just We are just in Chop City. I'm just eating away my money. What am I down? I'm up $21. Just take my money and run. Wait for another setup. Let's wait for market movement. Here's my prediction. We come in, the market opens up, Tokyo gives a little fake out pump, reverses, come back down, takes out this bottom wick. That's kind of how I feel, right? Maybe it's alive after all. Yeah, it looks like it's pumping up here. Kind of broke this little structure. Take a look at the 5-minute here real quick. Little combo trade on the 5. Man, it's just so lame. Is there any follow through to any of this? We're gonna pump up through that high. Kind of feels like it, doesn't it? Well, if it doesn't want to go lower, it's probably gonna go higher. You guys are probably just tuning in for the first time, like, what is this guy doing? I don't really know. Just trying to make lemonade out of lemons. Tradertainment here. Yeah, gold just caught a bid. See if we can take out the high. Let's look for a little scalp. Maybe run those wicks up here. It's not that far. Oh. Come on. Why does it do this to me every single night? I swear. It did this to me on My Funded Futures TV too. It took my stop out and then went in my direction. It literally hit me by a tick. Went my direction. And then I had a gold trade on My Funded Futures. It missed my take profit by just like a few ticks, maybe like 3. And then reversed on me, and I ended up losing $400 on that trade. I mean, it was a $300-$400 trade too. Crazy. I think we run these wicks though. Just to stay patient. I mean, it's just brutal. It just popped and just. I was looking at this top wick. I was like, maybe we run that. 1975. That's actually right where my. We'll see. Nice little break here off the 2-minute inside bar. Oh, I'm slouching. I gotta sit back in my chair. This desk is not very ergonomical friendly. I gotta get a new desk for this location. Surprisingly, we're still green tonight. I don't know how. Gold with a nice pop. I was long and just got out because it wasn't doing anything. I know. I'm glad I'm out of my short though. I was short earlier. Once we broke through this little structure, I went short, and which has probably caught a lot of people, and then that's what the little squeeze was from. So pretty high probability that we could take out. Oh, never mind. Sorry. Forget that. Erase that part off the stream, please. For some reason, I thought we hadn't run the 5-minute ORB, but we have already. So. D-Bond, let's go. Let's push it. As of now, I don't see it after getting an account. When do you think the My Thunder could be on your dashboard? It should be on your dashboard. Let me check mine. Because it'll say whether or not my thing was used or not. Huh, that's weird. It says unused. There we go. Yeah, probably some bugs, Rohan. Right now on my dashboard, it says unused. Let me check the Discord to see who's complaining. I'm sure there's plenty. Let's see. I'm writing to the Discord. Yeah, there seems to be an issue. What a disaster. I'm sure things will get straightened out, but man. Yeah, some yeah, some issues with it, I guess. Well, what a disaster that was. Log out and then log back in, and it should appear on your dashboard. Helpful. Yeah, there's some people in the Discord saying that they haven't seen it after they went through the process, but Big Cat Futures in the house. Can I have the Discord link? I think so. I think I can. On my wrong email. I was looking for your email. I was like, where is it? There you go, Rohan. All right, nice little pull here off that highs. Currently have 150 bucks. Nothing major, that's for sure. Nathaniel in the house. What's going on, man? Got 2 races tonight. Yes, we're gonna do 2 races. Wow, time flies. Yeah, we're gonna do one pretty soon. We're gonna do one in about 10 minutes, I think. I'm kind of over this market. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. We're gonna give away a 50K. I mean, look at these like little weird gaps and stuff. So strange. You can actually scalp this. Probably. Up into here. Forex Elite, maybe you can win one tonight. Yes. Trying to get tagged in on a long here. Just for a little scalp. Market looks like it's frozen. All right, I'm tagged in long. We'll scalp. Jeez, my phone just scared me. Oof. Oh, jeez. Guess pushing down. Ouch. Ouchie. So we get up in there. Come on. Come on, man. See if we get above that 200s. Nice little Arami here. Now we just gotta get above my entry. I mean, I saw a little price gap on the chart. That's kind of why I hopped in there. I didn't really expect it to pull back that much. Once we pulled back and filled this gap here, I said, well, maybe we, you know, that's all it goes. I didn't expect it to drop that hard. This price action is like pulling teeth. Come on, break above 203, 205 here. Off that Harami. Come on. Then we get the Tokyo Open in about 30 minutes. It'd be interesting if we run that data candle or whatever that wick was at the close. I think it was some sort of earnings candle. That's kind of going to be the target. This is just stupid. Taking one off there, just taking off some risk. You know what this feels like? Trading on a holiday. Like as the market's closing on a bank holiday. You know, like when the markets start to close at around noontime or 1 o'clock. That's kind of how it feels right now. I'm gonna take another one off. This is, I'm not trusting this. Currently down 174. Unrealized right now. Get the bottom of the hour in about 30 seconds. Hey, Pamela, frustrating market tonight? It really is. It's just terrible. This is, I mean, I really thought that CPI and PPI this week would shake things up. And it's like, what are we waiting for now? It's, I mean, we had, there was, you know, war talk stuff. Take a look at Forex Factory. So we got coming tomorrow, next week. So we got Forex Factory. So yeah, with like the headlines and stuff coming out, it's the market's just very strange. It's next, so tomorrow, not a whole lot. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Nothing there. Tuesday, Wednesday next week. FOMC next week. So we got FOMC next week. And then as far as the earnings go, I think we have earnings. So next week, yeah, there's not much earnings next week either. Pretty much the last week of the month. So the 26th is NVIDIA earnings. And 25th is Intuit earnings, which is nothing too major, but NVIDIA, August 26th, Wednesday. We'll probably be streaming that. Painful PA, yeah, for sure. VWAP test could be. All right, guys, let's do a giveaway. I'm over it. I'm over this. This is just stupid. All right, guys, let's do it. Sorry. Just got a lot of stuff going on here. All right, let's check this out. How many we got here? All right. We got wow, we got a lot of people in the giveaway. Let's freshen that up. This is for 50. We got to do some giveaways here. Let's go. I'll give you guys a minute. 1 minute. Get it in. Exclamation point pine in the chat. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let's do it. 50K Tradeify select account. Right here. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for using code PINE. Smash that like button. Like before you type. Ten seconds. Closed. Let's do a race. Let's do it. Shuffling characters. 200 and something in it. Good luck, good luck. And what happened to my hat? Someone stole my hat. Go. Moose race time. Here we go. Come on, come on. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Winner takes all. Must be eligible to trade with Tradeify. Who we got? We got Genius out into the lead here. Who else is this? Dean Bishop. Ten seconds. Smash that one. Come on. Who's it gonna be? Oh, wow, that was a close one. Something. Killer Viper. I like it. Killer Viper in the house. Jay Styles in second place. Oh, man, Jay Styles. Mighty Mouse in third. Oof. Excuse me. Killer Viper 1-4. Congratulations. Who finished last place? Candle King Trader finished last place. Killer Viper, congratulations. Let's do a members only race. Look at this crappy price action. Starting to peak up a little bit. And looks like we're gonna take out the lows maybe. Come on, man. It's not really doing anything. I got this grid so spread out. I mean, it's in 5s. The other day I had it in 50s, and right now I have it in grids of 5. Top of this range here. Oh, thank you for becoming a member. Wild Deuces. Appreciate that. Let's do that members only race. Sorry, I was looking at the trade here. I'm gonna pop up, fill this gap. Hey, Jesus. Thank you for the 3-month membership. Let's go. Sorry, I'm just trying to focus here. Guys, we're going on to 9,000 subs, almost a 10K subs. Can you believe it? And we're still growing right around 15 to 20 subs a day. Just a steady pace. It's the way it's been for like the last 6 months, 7 months. Actually, maybe more, maybe get close to a year. I don't know, time flies. But yeah, the pace is right around 15 to 20 subscribers a day. So nice steady equity curve on the subscribers. We like that. Appreciate that. And then just crossed 3,000 members on X. Come on, get up there, man. Get your ass up there. I think this market gets rug pulled to Tokyo Open, but I don't really know. I think we do go down and test that wick at some point. Just gonna give a little head fake before we do. All right, let's see. Not much confidence in this trade. Try to take one off. I'm just gonna take this off. It's just been chopping around my entry for the last 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm done. I don't want to think about it. Let's see. I just don't want to think about it no more. It's literally just, this is your brain on Nasdaq, kids, during Globex. Fried egg. All right, let's do the members here. And members only, guys. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Thank you, members. Appreciate that. Thank you, Terry, for this week's members gift. Oh, the winner of the last giveaway. I'm totally out of it tonight. I just got a lot of going on. I need a person. Send me email. PineTreeTrader207@gmail.com and screenshot your YouTube channel so I know it's you. All right, we get all the members in there. 27, let's go. Closing the entries. All right, let's do something. Let's do this race. I don't think I've ever done this one. The alien race. Let's go. Shuffling characters. Start it up. Yeah, 207 is the area code in Maine. Yep. Yeah, we have a TV show called 207. Let's go. Oh man, Nomadic Trades with the win. Boy, you've won before. You're very lucky. Hit me up in the Discord. Congratulations. Let's go. Miss K in second place. Oh no. Keegan in last place. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Killer Viper. Nomadic Trades, yeah, hit me up in the Discord. You've won before, so I know you're in there. And we'll do that. All right, what's this market gonna do for the open? Last place? That means maybe first place next time. Slime boost. Hey, Linda, thank you. All right, guys, I think I'm going to call it there. I mean, I think this market's probably going to pick up at some point, but we're going to do it again tomorrow on My Friendly Futures TV. Come join me. 10 a.m. If not, I'm going to be right back here Sunday night for the Globex Open, 5:45 p.m. Eastern Time. I'll be right here Sunday night. If you guys want to help support the channel, thank you for using code PINE with My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, Tradeify, Trade Day, Pine with a capital P, Apex, Bulenox. Matter of fact, I got to check the Bulenox. Yep, code PINE with Bulenox. Currently 89% off the option 1, 25 and 50Ks. I got to get back on the Bulenox. All right, winners, I will message you as soon as I hop off stream. So thank you everyone for tuning in this week. It's been an amazing week. I want to thank everyone. I had a really good day trading today. Got some payouts, daily payouts, Take Profit Trader. Got a builder payout on My Funded Futures. Been absolutely destroying those My Funded Futures builder accounts. I'm making those builder accounts my bitch. I kind of like them. So I want to be trading some more of those probably. We'll see. And well, yeah, just trying to stack the Take Profit Traders now and get those daily payouts. Gonna request my payout here with TPT. Oh, I wanted to say this, guys, real quick. Take Profit Trader, I went to request last night and it was instantly out of my account and into my wallet. So instantly taken out and into the wallet. So that is a much improvement. So I could go ahead and just trade those accounts once that dashboard opened up. So anyways, guys, thank you so much. Nomadic and Viper, congratulations. And I'll hit you up in more giveaways next week too, guys. All right. Peace. Thank you. Oh, I got to make a new theme song too. I got things to do. Later, guys. Peace. Have a good weekend.